So this is how you do the cup song by Pitch Perfect. So you go clap, clap. Can you do that with me? 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap. Okay, and then you do, go, let's do it again. Clap, clap. Okay, then we go like this. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. So clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. So try it with me. Wait, 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Then you go. Let's go a little faster now. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so go a little more faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Now, one more time. 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so then you go clap, clap. Go. Then you clap after. So go clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. Then you go clap. Take. Put to the side. Then you clap. Then you turn your arm. Pick it up. Go like this. Tap it. Put it down. Then flip it and tap. Okay, so go clap, clap. 1, 2, 3. Clap. Take. Put down. Clap. Turn. Grab. Touch. Then go down. So I'm going to do it. I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, so that's what you're going to do anyway. And, so, okay, our turn. So, ready, set, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, grab. Okay, let's try it again. Clap, clap, wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, put down. Clap, go to the side, and take it and put it up, okay? So let's start over. So you go, clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, down, clap, turn around. Okay, so that's what we learned so far. So then, go like this. That's 1, 2, 3. So that's the whole thing. And you just keep on doing it over and over again. So let's do it. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3. Clap, grab, down. Clap, grab, up. So let's go a little faster. 1, 2, 3, go. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sorry. Okay. So, just do this part. Clap, and grab, then up. So, clap, clap, tap, tap, tap. Grab, then up. Wait, sorry. So it goes like clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, grab, down, clap, turn around. So, clap, clap, wait, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, turn, down, wait. Clap, clap, pat, 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 clap, take, down, clap, backwards, put your hand backwards, up. So then, let's try it faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, take, down, clap, clap, inside out. So, clap, clap, tap, tap. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Clap, clap, tap, 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 tap. Oh, sorry. So sorry. So you go like this. Clap, clap, tap, to tap. Wait, sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Okay, so you're like clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, take, down, clap, inside out. So 1, 2, 3. So then you go like this. So first you go like this. Then you go down, just like that. So you pretty much know all of it. So you start like clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, there, clap, grab, up, down, well, sorry. Then you go down, down. Then you just keep on doing that over and over again. So let's try it. Clap, clap, tap, 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 clap, take, down, clap, inside, out. Then you go like this. Then you take with this hand, so it's like this. Then you go like this, and then like that. So you go. So you kind of make it like bounce, like when you go like this. It's like, you kind of make it bounce. You don't leave it there for a long time. You just go like bounce, like when it's like this, you go like, oh, wrong way. So you take up, like just swoop it like it's jumping or something. So let's try it. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, down, clap, inside, out, down. Okay, let's go a little faster. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, down, clap, inside, out, down. Okay, let's try it one more time, a couple more times. 1, 2, 3, go. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, down, clap, inside, out, now down. So, now that you have that down, now we can do it a little more faster. Clap, clap, 1, 2, 3, clap, take, down, clap, take, up, down. So let's do it now. This is what you do. Like that. And this is what the song actually sounds like. I got my ticket for the long way round. 2 bottles of whiskey for the way. And I sure like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what do you say? When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my hair. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I got my ticket for the long way round. The one with prettiest of views. It got mountains and sky rivers with cut sights that make you shiver, but it sure would be prettier with you. When I'm gone, you're gonna miss me by my walk. You're gonna miss me by my talk. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. No. Okay, hope you learned how to do it. See ya.